Just post it on the internet. Just post it. Post it for TikTok so TikTok can see. So you post your video. Because TikTok want you to post the video. So guys, again, pick up your phone, pick up your TV, pick up your dog, pick up the puss, pick up the fridge, pick up the house, and just post it on TikTok. TikTok want everybody to post the video. That's all, guys. Just post the video. Whatever you like. You like to cook, you like to clean, you like plants, you like to feed your animal. Whatever you like to do, guys, turn it in a hobby and post the video. All you have to do, guys, go on TikTok,